Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Offshore injury lawyers Gakko Vinolek and Associates PC can advise you about your legal rights to compensation if you have suffered a serious injury while on a waterway, either as a passenger or a worker, because injuries of these types are subject to a specific body of law known as admiralty or maritime law. It is important to select an attorney with specific expertise in the Jones Act, the Longshore and Harbour Workers Compensation Act, and all other federal laws pertaining to harm sustained on or near the open water. At Gakko Vinolek and Associates PEC, we pride ourselves on our experience handling maritime cases for injured clients and are well equipped to pursue compensation on your behalf in this unique and complex area of law. For free, no obligation consultation about your case and your legal options, call us in the dial-in and contact us online. A Jones Act lawyer view of the Jones Act. Every year, seamen sustain injuries or death in maritime-related accidents. Many of these accidents are aboard commercial vessels and can involve anything from food poisoning to slipping and falling off of a vessel. In 1920, the United States Congress adopted an act known as the Merchant Marine Act, or more colloquially, the Jones Act. This act helps to protect seamen who sustain injuries while working aboard a vessel by providing them the right to pursue damages in the event of personal injury or death. If you are a maritime worker or seaman who has sustained an injury due to the negligence of your employer, fellow crew members, or ship owner, you may be able to pursue a claim under the Jones Act. Our lawyers in New York can help with this process. Maritime workers covered by the Jones Act. Not every maritime worker is considered as a Jones Act seaman. Rather, in order to qualify as a seaman covered by you must spend 30% or more of your time working on a vessel or a group of a vessel under common ownerships. The Act covers crew members, officers, captains, and masters aboard the vessel. The Act does not apply to passengers. Accidents that may occur on a vessel and lead to a claim include capsizing of a vessel, collision with another vessel, fires, explosion, being thrown about, being rough seas, slip and falls on board, food poisoning, being struck by falling object, and injuries during construction. Talk to us today if you are unsure whether you qualify as a seaman and if your injury qualifies for compensation under the Jones Act based on your employer's negligence. Offshore injuries permitted under the Jones Act. If you have suffered an injury while aboard a vessel covered under the Jones Act, you may be entitled to damages if you can prove negligence. Furthermore, if you have lost a loved one who was living or working upon a Jones Act vessel, you may also be eligible to recover compensation. Damages permitted under the Jones Act may include medical expenses, pain and suffering, loss of support to surviving spouse, funeral expenses, lost wages, loss of championship, and mental anguish in order to qualify for damages. A plaintiff must prove that the maritime employer did not provide the seaman with a reasonably safe place to work, or that negligence occurred. The statute of limitation for pursuing compensation under the Jones Act is of 3 years. Further, injured maritime workers are entitled to maintenance and cure, which provides for living expenses and medical treatment while injured. This is available regardless of fault. The Longshore and Harbour Workers' Compensation Act. This federal statutory protection is extended to workers who sustain injuries while attending to their duties on waterway or while repairing, loading, building, or unloading vessel. In addition, it provides remedies for individuals who contract disease from performing those same categories of work. In order to maximize your potential compensation, it is critical that you contact a maritime and admiralty lawyer with in-depth understanding of this very specific practice area at Covino, Lake and Associates PC. We stand prepared to carefully assess the facts of your case and craft the best legal strategy to procure maximum compensation for your injuries. The next is Death on a High Seas Act. Enacted in 1920, the statute is intended to allow for recovery of damages by spouse or other dependent of a seaman killed in international waters due to the negligence of another or unseaworthiness of a vessel. If you believe you may have wrongful death claim that meets this criteria, the New York-based Admiralty and Maritime lawyers of Covino, Lake and Associates PC have the experience and insight necessary to review your case and provide clear and honest explanations of your legal option. In offshore injury cases, victims may be entitled to past and future medical costs, lost wages, lost earning capacity, pain and suffering, funeral expenses, child care costs, filing cruise ship offshore injury lawsuit. While cruises are usually happy trips, there are times when cruises turn tragic and injuries are sustained. Cruise ships are designed as a common carriers, meaning that they have special duty to passengers above and beyond mere reasonable care. When injuries or death occur on a cruise ship, legal claims can fall under maritime law or other federal law and state law, depending on the circumstances. It may be possible to pursue compensation from the vessel's owner, the charter company, the ship operators, or perhaps even the ticketing agency. Incidents giving rise to cruise injury claims are quite varied and can include overboard falls, cruise ship fire injuries, docking accidents, norovirus infections, injuries caused by navigational mistake, pool accidents. The Long Island and New York Maritime attorneys at Covino, Lake and Associates PC will listen to the facts of your case, determine applicable law, and begin building the most persuasive case possible on your behalf. Because cruise ship injuries can be extremely serious in nature, it is important that you begin the process of seeking recovery as soon as possible upon reaching shore. As is also the case in many maritime law matters, cruise ship injury victims can be pressured or coerced into making statements about the circumstances surrounding the harm sustained. This may substantially compromise their ability to recover damages down the road. For that reason, we at Covino, Lake Associates PC urge you to contact us as soon as possible following the event in question. I think that's all guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel, Big Sunny channel. We talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family and your loved one. Maybe they need information related to maritime topics, so by sharing this video to them, it means you let them know that in this channel we provide a lot of information related to maritime topics for those who need it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you can take advantage from the video that I have shared. Don't forget to give like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.